Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to break down if you are using the best free Minecraft server host. So I'm going to talk about this tool called Play Hosting. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So Play Hosting is a new free Minecraft server hosting service supported by the popular content creator Tubbo. So Play Hosting offers several advantages over other free Minecraft server hosting services. You have the generous resources, right? Play Hosting provides 4 gigabytes of RAM and 10 gigabytes of storage, which is more than many other free hosting services offer. You have the cross-play support, so it features one-click cross-play setup, allowing players on different platforms to easily connect and play together. We have custom subdomains, so users can create custom subdomains. And what do I mean by that? We have the yourname.play.hosting for their server, making them more personalized and easier to remember. There are no advertisements. We like that, right? So unlike some free hosting services, Play Hosting doesn't display ads, providing a cleaner experience for users. Because why you interrupting me, man? I know this is free, I'm not paying for it, but why you interrupting me, man? Come on. There's full FTP access, so Play Hosting offers complete FTP access, giving users more control over their server files and facilitating easier management. There's reputable support, so the service is supported by, again, Tubbo, right, the content creator, which may inspire more confidence in its reliability and longevity. A next one we have, because we talked about Play Hosting, but I want to give you guys more diversity here. The next one we have is ScalaCube. And it offers free Minecraft server hosting with the DDoS protection, SSD storage for fast performance, easy setup and configuration. We have Minefort, which provides a full-featured free hosting service with a user-friendly control panel, 24/7 uptime, DDoS protection, support for plugins and mods. Okay, we have Folix Nods. It's a free server hosting with unlimited player slots, full control over server files, instant startup. Next, we have the free Mech server. Features include the high performance servers, user-friendly control panel, no hidden fees or contracts. So each of these services offers unique benefits, so you can choose based on your specific needs, such as storage, customization, or ease of use. So that is what I have here today. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you like this video and you want more videos like this, you enjoyed the content, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. See you in the next video.